Homie, I can't listen to what you say. Stop talking. Wait a minute. I think I'm Big Meech, Larry Hoover. If you a dog, then I'm a beast. Alright, come up a little. I'm with my dogs. Rocker. Dad left, but all that did was motivate. Too young to get a job, but I still got paid. 6 kids, 5 bills, 4 brothers, 3 sisters. Too much for one mother. 1/4 locker, 1/4 skill. Half of the guy do to pay the bills. If that means I gotta be drinking to a straight killer, then I'm going in. It's over for this nigga. I G-mass like fuck you say with T-Pain. I motivate, not Biggie, but I get a lot of faith, not possible. Who can I trust today? She say I talk shit, now I say what's on my mind. He say I act like we ain't cool, now I'm on the grind. They fucking with my head, so they some Tylenol niggas. The devil's in my ear, so my headache's getting bigger. But I'm ready to murder, I'm ready to kill, but not with the Mac. With the skills behind the music, real stories motivate. Got caught, came back, still king of the A. Dropped out of 14, best rapper today. Know that could be me rapping on that stage. They say I can't and push me down, but all that does is motivate. If you a dog, then I'm a beast. Here go my motivation. I'm with my dogs. Fuck y'all.